Hi folks, we're going to go over safe operation, loading and handling of our two-fed semi-automatic style shotguns. That'll be like the Gauge Bali family of our shotguns. Basics: ear protection, eye protection. Got to make sure you have that first. Okay, we want to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. Going to rack the bolt back, make sure there is absolutely nothing in the chamber, in the actual feed tube itself. Once we've done that, we're going to take this, make sure that the nut is tightened, barrel's tightened, your assembly is assembled properly. We're going to make sure our choke tube is securely screwed in. Now we can get down to brass tacks. We can see how we're going to actually fire this and how the mechanism is going to work for us. Where the bolt is closed at this point, you'll notice when I pull it back, it locks. Why? Because the follower release is in the forward position. When you want to release the bolt, push the bolt release. Bolt will go forward. If you get to a position where the bolt will not lock back, we're going to just take this, push the follower release. You'll see the follower come down a little bit. You'll also feel a click. So the follower release also acts as kind of a safety. Obviously, it's not a safety of your firing pin and hammer, but it's a safety so you don't double feed shells, and it locks the follower plate. After that's done, bolt locks back the way it should. We're going to make sure firearms always point in a safe direction. Safety is on. One method of loading, you'll see a lot of people take one, dump it in the pipe, close it, and you're ready to go. Make sure your safety is on. You'll notice your follower is in the position where you can start taking shells, putting them right in the magazine tube. We have plugs for the magazine tube to restrict it for 3-shot hunting. Point it in a safe direction. You've got a good grip and handle on the shotgun and you want to unload it. The easiest way is you're going to end up pulling back on the follower release. You'll notice a shell goes into position to be fed up with the follower, and we're just going to end up taking it into the chamber and out of the chamber. Hit the follower release, into the chamber, out the chamber. Again, with the safety on. Point it in a safe direction. Follow a release. 2 more in there. Okay, follow a release. Okay, now you're clear. Hit the follow release one more time. Rack it back to lock position open. Make sure that you're empty. Look down inside the follower and you'll see the orange plug, which shows you there's nothing in the shotgun.